The good boy. In the previous chapters, we practiced about fatha, dhamma, and kasra, and then about the standing fatha, standing dhamma, standing kasra, and then about the jazm sign, right?
Yeah, yeah, got
Yes.
it.
In this chapter, we are gonna practice about the double vowels, okay?
Okay,
Yes. The sound of hamza, fatha, was similar to a, right?
right.
Okay, whenever you see there is two signs on the top of a letter, that means the like, and two fathas, that means it is a and stop n here, like an. Okay.
So for the first three letters, it would be an, and then the one with the kasra would be im, and then
Yes.
the one with the doma would be un.
Yes. Good. With double kasra, it should be, the sound of kasra was similar to I, so now it is similar to, it is I and in, noon, stop noon at the end, in. Got it?
Oh,
And yes, good.
got it.
And with the double dhamma, it is now, the double dhammas, the dhamma sign, sound of dhamma is like O R U when there is a double signs, double dhamma, so that means it's on, right?
Right,
Lesson was easy peasy, right?
right.
Okay, as you can see, this double sign is just similar to a stop noon sound, right?
Right.
Like, if you see, you can write here hamza double ser in is equal to hamza, sorry, you can say hamza double kasra in is equal to hamza kasra noon in, right?
Right.
Yeah, so that means the sound, the rule of stop noon and the rule of double zabar, double zir, and double pesh will be the same. Okay?
Okay.
And the double zabar, double zir, and double pesh is called tanween. Okay?
Okay.
So, um, we will read the rule of noon, sakin, and tanween in next lesson. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so now tell me, what is this sign? What is this sign called? This sign called tanween. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So any double zabar, double sir, or double pesh is called tanween. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Whenever we talk about the rule of nun sakin and tanween, so we say tanween and nun sakin. Okay.
Okay.
Like, it's the nun sakin. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, because nun sakin and tanween are just same, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so the way spelling is very easy. Like, you just say hamza, double fatha, and then say an. Then hamza, double kasra in. Then hamza, double dhamma un. Okay? And then pronounce the sounds. An, in, un. Easy, right?
Right.
Okay. Um, could you read the first three letters and then pronounce the sounds of them, please?
An, in, un.
Very good, Said. Very good. Okay, focus and see the next letter and apply the rule here.
Ban, bin, bun.
Very good, mashallah. Next.
Tan, tin, tun.
Good job. Next.
Tan, tin, tun.
Mashallah, mashallah. Good. Next.
Jan, jin, Jun.
Excellent. Next.
Han, hin, hun.
Very good. Next.
Hon, hin, hun.
Good. Next.
Dan, din, dun.
Perfect. Next.
Dan, din, dun.
Very good. Next.
Ran, rin, run.
Good job. So in this chapter, you learned that the sound of triple zippers, and you learned one more thing. Let me tell you, alif doesn't work with double zipper. Okay,
Okay.
like when when there is a fatha on the top of a letter and the next is alif. Now alif works here, right?
You're right.
Alif stretch the sounds of that fatha, right?
Right.
Like without alif, it was it was na, right? Without
Right.
alif, it was na, and with alif, it is na, right?
Right.
But with double sabr, alif just doesn't work. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, alif. You won't actually spell that. You will just say ra double fatha ran. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So that means alif works just as a sign when the previous letter has a fatha. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Good. Okay. I will open the next page of the same chapter for you. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, Zaid. Um, so the goodbye, you can continue from here.
Um. Zan, zin, zun.
Perfect. Next.
San, sin, sun.
Excellent. Next.
Shan, shin, shun.
Good job. Next.
Son, sin, sun.
Okay, not son. Okay, son.
Son, sin, sun.
Good job. Next.
Von, ven, vun.
One. What is pronounced from side of your tongue, right?
Von,
No.
ven, vun.
Okay, that was excellent try, but don't make it wa. It should be pronounced from side edge of your tongue, and it touches to the molars and premolars, like the side tooths. Okay,
Okay.
to the tooths you eating with. Okay,
John, zin, zin.
one, one.
Von, ven, dun.
That's the sound. Okay,
Okay.
good job. Next.
Con, tin, tun.
Good job. Next.
Von, vin, vun.
One, one.
Von, vin, vun.
Perfect. Say perfect. Next.
Ein, ein.
The sound of ein double fatha. A will be connect to an. An.
An, in, un.
Yeah. Okay. So from middle of your throat, like an, ein, un.
On, in, un.
That was a that was a
On,
good try.
in, un.
Perfect. That was a good try. You will still try. Okay. If
Okay.
if you're having trouble in pronunciation, that's okay, because all we do this to please Allah Ta'ala, and Allah Ta'ala give us the double reward. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Next.
Ron, qin gun,
Very good. Next.
fan sin fun,
MashaAllah. Good. Next.
qon kin kun,
Qan, qin, qun.
on yin kun,
Yes, just use the extreme back of your tongue and touch it to the soft palate.
qon qin kun,
That's the sound. Perfect. Qan, qin, qun.
qon qin kun,
Very good. Very good, Said. Very good. Next.
fan kin kun,
Perfect. Next.
lan len nun,
Very good. Next.
man min nun,
Very good. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Next.
nan nin nun,
Perfect. Next.
wan win wun,
Good job. Next.
han hin hun,
Good job. Next.
tan tin tun,
Perfect.
an in un,
Very good.
yan yin yun.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Very good, Zaid. Very good. I'm proud of you, Zaid.